Inside the all-new 2023 Toyota Crown. The Toyota Crown nameplate has been a long-time presence in Japan, but now it will be making its way to America with all the modern amenities including standard odd and up 340 horsepower. The new model arrives for 2023 alongside two hybrid powertrain options, one having 236 horsepower, while another comes equipped by default on Platinum trim level, which offers an engine-producing turbocharged inline 4-cylinder engine paired nicely against electric motors, giving around 350 HP at your disposal. Not only does this vehicle boast stunning looks thanks also heated leather seats for drivers, vents and heated door handles, plus plenty more cosmetic upgrades like 11-speaker JBL sound system. The Crown is a sleek sport utility sedan with two hybrid powertrains and all-wheel drive. It replaces the Avalon, which has been around since 2013. The 2023 Toyota Crown may be something you should know about because it's going to replace that car after next year. The teaser video asks sedan or SUV, while their press release refers to as premium sedans, but we think there are some good reasons for calling this vehicle simply the sport utility sedan. One of those reasons being how similar its style looks like inside out when compared against other cars in its class such as Subaru legacies of the late 90s and Volvo S60 cross-country. Whatever vehicles young adults care most. The 2023 Crown debuts with 3 trim levels. Powering the XLE and Limited is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired up to 3 electric motors powered by Toyota's new nickel metal hydride battery pack that offers continuous variable ratio adjustment as it sends power exclusively onto either front wheel depending if you're going on an EV mode or not. This hybrid system also features one more motor at rear, making this all-wheel drive vehicle capable of producing 236 horsepower while achieving 38 miles per gallon combined average fuel economy rate, thanks in part from its cross-react solar panels, which have helped make them among some best-selling luxury cars today. The Platinum trim brings what Toyota dubs Hybrid Max, a new hybrid system with an 2.4L turbocharged engine and 6-speed automatic transmission mated to power it all up front alongside your typical driver's seat. This is where you'll find both electric motors too. One by itself could make pretty good torque, but when they're working together at once there can be no question as why we love these cars so much, because even though our gas-powered machines still produce more than enough incentives for buyers who want performance without any fuss or bother. The Hybrid Max setup makes 340 horsepower, with peak torque from the gas engine arriving between 2,000 and 3,000 RPM. While Toyota estimates that this car will do 0 to 60 in 5 seconds, for those who haven't yet gotten their hands on one of these bad boys, you're going to need it when they finally release more than just Dirigiums. The base model operates solely front-wheel drive under certain conditions, but always sends 70% power towards our wheels, whether you have traction control turned off or not. However, if luxury isn't really your thing, there are plenty other trims available, including ones hauling up 20 miles per gallon combined around town, thanks largely to its all-wheel drive layout, which allows greater amounts. The Platinum has all of the features that make it a superior vehicle, but if you're looking for even greater performance, there's nothing better than an XLE. With adaptive dampers and Crown aristocratic suspension, this car will handle like no other on your way to work or running errands around town. The line sight also comes equipped with active cornering assist, which uses stability control, so every time something happens outside of routine traffic situations, expect perfection from these bad boys as they corner beautifully without any hint at understeer, thanks in part because 19-inch aluminum alloy wheels dotting each tire. The Crown's interior is equipped with all the amenities to keep you and your passengers comfortable. There are 12-inch screens in each of its seats, which provide digital readouts for temperature or other conditions that may affect travel efficiency, plus they can stream video when connected via Wi-Fi. A row or trooper legendary dashboard dominated by physical buttons beneath an integrated LCD panel offers dual-zone climate control backed up by streaming LTE connections with subscription service. The Crown XLE is a high-quality, well-equipped mid-sized sedan with plenty of features and comfort. The standard 8-way power heated seats make it great for long journeys, while ventilated leather offers an even more luxurious experience if you're willing to pay extra. Upgrade your seat up front too by choosing either the Limited or Platinum model, which come equipped not only 11 speakers but also JBL sound system capabilities as well. Both seem like excellent choices considering how much room there seems inside these cars, even though we didn't have time personally assess its effectiveness. The Toyota Crown has been out for a while now, but it's still one of our favorite cars. With all the features that come standard on this vehicle and an affordable price tag too. We love how they talk up its quiet cabin with acoustic glass windows. You can barely hear anything outside when driving down main streets in your neighborhood thanks to these soundproofing materials throughout interior components like seats or dashboard plastics. Plus, even listening close enough near traffic sounds was impossible, so there's no worries about bothering other drivers around you either, because everyone will just be blissfully enjoying their music instead, and who doesn't want some peace? The Platinum trim adds even more goodies such as panoramic sunroofs which provide breathtaking views. With Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, Crown features a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection and more. The Platinum trim comes standard to have advanced park that will park the car without you needing touch your wheel or pedals at all. It's amazing what they've come up with these days. Pricing has not yet been revealed, but we expect them around $40K for XLE models, while those looking extra luxurious may want go ahead and expense themselves out of there right off the bat by selecting one of their high-croft options like leather seats, which could push up price further still. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.